Ryan Scutt, cooking with Scuttle. Today we're making custom fortune cookies. You can write anything you want on these fortunes, and I do mean anything, so have fun with them. Prepare your fortunes on small strips of paper. Whisk an egg white. Separate the white from the yolk with your hands or with the shells, and whisk with 1/8 teaspoon vanilla and an optional 1/8 teaspoon almond or orange extract, only if you've got it. The mixture should get a little foamy. Mix a 1/4 cup flour and a pinch of salt and 3 tablespoons sugar. Stir into the batter. Stir in a tablespoon of melted butter. I like to use a spatula to keep the batter together. Lightly grease 2 cookie sheets or use parchment paper with a little cooking spray, and pour 1 teaspoon batter on the sheet and then spread into a thin level circle using the back of the spoon. Add a teaspoon of water to the batter at a time if needed to thin it out to get the right consistency so it spreads properly. Make sure it's round and even. Limit it to 3 cookies per sheet because you must work efficiently. This part can definitely be tricky. Bake at 375 for about 5 minutes until the outside edges begin to turn golden. Prepare the next batch while baking the first. Efficiently flip cooked cookie, baked cookie. Cooked cookie makes so much more sense, doesn't it? Flip onto a cutting board and fold the fortune into the center, then fold away. Use a mug rim to shape the cookie, then place into a muffin tin to hold the shape. Periodically check to make sure they're holding while cooling. Once you've baked and shaped all the cookies, turn the oven down to about 200 degrees and bake for about 10 minutes in the tins so that the cookies dry out and they'll be nice and brittle. You want them to break so you can get the fortunes out. This recipe yields about 12 fortune cookies. Practice and have fun with it. It can be a little tricky, so just keep practicing and you'll get the hang of it. These are a buttload of fun. Get as creative as you want, even have the kids write messages. Or you can even write messages to your lover or to your crush. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you next time and I'll teach you how to make something else. I hope you enjoy this. To get more tasty recipes, just click subscribe.
Food porn.